In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hotkeys in OBS Studio, an incredibly useful tool for streamlining your workflow and enhancing your live streaming or video recording experience. First, we'll start by opening up OBS Studio. If you haven't already downloaded it, OBS Studio is an open source software that's widely used for video recording and live streaming due to its flexibility and powerful features. You can find OBS Studio on their official website, and it's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Once you have OBS Studio installed and opened, let's dive right into the settings where the magic happens. Take a look at the bottom right corner of the OBS main window, where you'll find the Settings button. Clicking this opens up a whole world of customization options. Essentially, the Settings menu is the control center of your OBS experience, where you can adjust things to perfectly suit your needs. Whether that's setting up your video and audio, configuring your output settings, or, as we're doing today, setting up hotkeys to ease your workflow. Now, focusing on the task at hand, we'll navigate to the Hotkeys section within the Settings menu. Hotkeys in OBS Studio allow you to perform various actions without needing to click through menus while you're recording or streaming. This can help you maintain a seamless broadcast without breaking your focus to navigate through your computer. Hotkeys can be used for things like starting and stopping streaming or recording, transitioning scenes, muting audio sources, turning on text overlays, and much more. To set up your hotkeys, simply look for the action you want to assign a hotkey to in the list provided in the Hotkeys tab. For example, let's say you want to set a hotkey to transition from one scene to another. Find the action listed under your scenes and click into the box beside it to press the keys you want to use as your new hotkey. You can create combinations using Shift, Control, Alt, and any other key that suits your workflow. Remember, it's important that the keys you choose for your hotkeys aren't conflicting with any other shortcuts you frequently use in your daily computer tasks to avoid unintended actions. Once you have set your desired hotkeys, it's a good idea to test them out to make sure they work as expected. Exit the settings by clicking Apply and then OK to save your changes. Now you can use your designated hotkeys within OBS Studio while streaming or recording. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now set up hotkeys in OBS Studio to make your workflow much more efficient and intuitive. Hotkeys can be a game changer in making navigation smoother and streamlining your video production process. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. Happy streaming!